That's a weird start. What's up, guys? What's up, wolves? We're playing the Drums with Isha. Isha, get on the train now. Get driving. Drive! You're lucky it's not nighttime. Drive! Now where am I? If you guys don't know, when I play this game, I'm on my ult. I know you
Drive!
not get copyrighted. Gather up all of the crew. It's time to ship. What? About being sis brew. Wave goodbye, but don't you cry. Our memories remain. Fire desert.
You guys need to command the command. Okay.
Yeah, he's the leader. I'm a private chief. Isha is a captain. I'm private chief, and Manunggab is commander.
Oh.
Manunggab's commander. What's happening? Oh, there's a werewolf behind us. It's Timmy. It's Timmy's parents.
Wait, let me...
Gather up all of the crew. It's time to ship out Bing's brew. Wave goodbye, but don't you cry. Our memories remain. Yo yo.
That's the reason why I can't hear my eggs laying. Oh, there it is.
I heard one. Gather up all of the crew. It's time to ship out Bing's brew. I'm too addicted. Gather up all of the crew. It's time to ship out Bing's brew. Wave. What?
Ayun, I'm glad you knew.
The what?
You're addicted.
Why I can pick it up?
Maybe we need that.
Manungga, Isha, what are you doing? Isha, di mo kwarta.
I have $30, bro.
Oh, can you buy me a miner helmet?
No.
Please.
We're already out. But
Ride!
follow your commander, or I'll promote you.
Me too. I don't.
I have a pickaxe. You don't care.
My shovel will hit you harder.
You have a pickaxe. I have an army.
Yeah. And I have extra damage because it's nighttime. Isha, I don't take damage. Isha, drive, run!
Drive.
Yes.
Bakit ako driver ah? Ako na lang, pero mega drive. Wali takang kamo, drive takan mo.
Manunggab always drives. When we play, he always drives. But if Isha does one more thing, that's crybaby, we are not gonna play with her, right, Manunggab? Manunggab, I'm gonna tell you something. If Manunggab do a crybaby thing again, Isha, we're not gonna give her a second chance.
Yeah.
Gather up all of the crew. It's time. Be quiet, Isha. Oh no. No worry, it's nighttime. I'll be your protector. See, I killed it.
Who took the loot?
It was Isha. Isha, can you help us have light? Can you shine at this corner?
Yeah. I laid the egg.
I'm already shining at the corner. Is there snake oil? I need snake oil. Actually, I don't need it. It's nighttime. I'm so fast because I'm werewolf class.
Oh my god, I have a knife.
I'm so faster than you even though I'm not even running. Manunggab, I'm not running.
Okay.
This is my normal walk at night.
Where are you, Torian?
I'm on top
Oh
of
my
the thing.
god.
I'm on... Let's go to that house. Stop!
What? If you find the Navy revolver, please give it to me.
Why? I'm the protector. I should be helping you.
I need to protect myself though.
I'm the one protecting you.
Yeah.
No! It's daytime!
Ah!
Help me! What's that?
Ah!
Firework ammo.
Help me!
There's nothing useful here, boss.
What?
Siya just makalipo.
Ano?
Yes, defeat them all. I mostly did everything. I did everything, but I have half health.
I had to go up first.
Why?
Just wait.
Oh no.
Ano to ba?
Help me. Yes, boss.
Sino pa lang nagamit yung skama? Midyas na ano mo, midyas mo.
Die, you zombie. You laid the egg. You're not doing anything to my boss. Yes, I helped you survive, boss. I shall be promoted. Just kidding.
I'm already here.
I'm not promoted by the president. Oh no, the private chief. Can you promote me too?
You're not commander.
Commander?
Yeah, I'm private commander.
Oh, okay.
And how about me?
He's still captain.
Oh, man.
Now you're gonna be chief.
What? Yeah.
No, I fell down the train. Isha, don't go yet. I can't see anything. I wish I get double vision. Isha!
I'm already there. Ano? Ako na ba yung chief?
Karay po rin.
Ako tinatar niya. Siyempre gani ako.
I'm commander. Commander is better than chief. And Manunggab is private commander, which is even better. The worst promotion is the driver, you know? Why does he look so scary? I thought you look like the boiled one, Isha.
My guys are put the chairs pushing me.
He's pushing me.
That's your karma.
Me too, I'm getting pushed.
That's your karma.
Hey, stop! There's a house. I have... No! No! Okay. I'm looting it because
Oh my gosh. There's a bomb, bro. There's a bomb.
I sacrificed my life for the bomb.
Oh my gosh.
Nothing happened. I'm nearly dead. Of course.
Eager, bro.
Why?
You know you're gonna be dead this week.
I'm trying my best to kill everyone. I'm trying my best to protect you guys, you know? You know what? It's mine.
It's yours.
Thank
I
you.
wish I can send my extra 150,000.
Guys, don't you dare get my chair, okay? I'm just going to sit down.
I need a chair.
But I need it too.
I need to sit down because I always get pushed.
The army will be useful soon.
I need the chair, Isha.
Right here?
Yes.
Woo!
Yes.
Bounce ahead. What? No, there's a town. I'm so scared.
Oh my god, why does Isha even have a suckiness?
I'm glad you know.
I fell down!
Oh my gosh, I need to stop.
I need to get up so I can see. I can tell you when to stop, y'all.
Oh, what's this?
You just moved me. Isha, can you stop real quick?
Why? I'm already stopping.
I'm pushing myself. I'm pulling myself.
Here.
For real. Okay, you can go now. Sultana Head, should we raid it? It's nighttime. It's my time to shine.
It's not nighttime, but it's raining blade.
I think it's time now.
We're already entering.
Be quiet, be quiet, be quiet, be quiet! You wake up all the zombies, Isha. Get your army, Manunggab. Get your army.
You take me while I get it, okay?
Isha, wapag ang ibang ko. Bank kong galing.
Oh no.
I'm getting it.
It's just the mouse.
What? How dare you say that? Oh.
It's raining.
Oh, run, Isha!
It's just nice. You're not promoted.
Thank you for the chief and commander. You're the biggest dumbass I know.
I finally have 35!
Over here, leaders! Run! We shall surrender!
Guys, who wants some gold?
Commander!
What? Oh.
I saved you guys' life. Yes! Oh! How did Isha open a bank code?
I'll sacrifice my life!
Huh? Isha, can I have some jewelry?
Okay, I'm going to heal someone that I didn't have a bundle.
How did I die?
With a bomb zombie?
There's a bomb? I didn't even see that guy. There was no...
I know. I'm just going to pick you up. Oh my god.
That Banjo? That Banjo?
Where?
I did most of the work. I tried my best to do the work. I died.
You're now the captain.
Can't even promote us, Isha. You have the low.
You're the dumbest, Isha.
She looted the thing without us sharing.
Cause someone bombed it. Finally gave you.
Yes, me and the...
There's one more zombie.
This egg...
Here, Darian.
Where?
I already gave you at the up.
Oh my god, these are looting the whole bank.
I didn't even get the code, bro.
He's so blind. He's just so blind though.
Haha.
At least I got 40 now.
At least I have a church. Isha, can you come here real quick? Can I borrow your head thingy?
No.
I need to see. There's gold in the church.
Fine, I will go.
Wait for the light.
In the church. Here?
Yes.
Here.
Church. Can you look? There's something here.
Zombie walker, zombie walker, zombie
We
walker.
have one.
No, you already have the gold.
Something. I'm commander. Darian, open your box, bro.
No. Oh.
Number.
Why? Come here.
Oh, I have it. I'm gonna loot the town. Guys, I found the landmine. I'm gonna use it. Oh, a cavalry sword!
I need that, please.
No!
I needed a banjo.
Guys, I have a landmine. Who wants to sacrifice their life?
Me?
You sacrifice your life for nothing, bro.
Hey, what is this? I hate that.
It's a landmine.
I don't want that. I don't know how to use it.
Where's your money?
Oh,
Where's the money?
there's a zombie here?
Isa na yung kwarta!
Kwarta din.
Okay, kwarta din.
Gather up all of the crew. It's time to ship out.
Ah!
Bing says, bro, wave goodbye, but don't you cry. Your memories remain. We're gonna need
We
this
created the chicken jockey.
chicken jockey. Chicken jockey.
I have a banjo.
Nobody cares now.
Try to play Gingang Guli Guli Guli.
Okay. Oh my god, it's hard.
I'm trying to pour this glass bottle. I don't even want it anymore.
Did I lay an egg or no?
No, you didn't.
There's one more zombie. We shouldn't let him survive.
Already.
That's my ally!
That's your ally? Didn't tell
Darian, I'm
me.
sitting on my chair.
Drive siya! Just drive!
Darian, it's not yours, bro.
Just drive!
I'm just gonna put it at the back of the driveway.
Yes, I know I need it, right? You know, because
You can just sit here, bro.
I need to sit up in the babaw.
That is my chair.
It says greedy. Oh, general store?
There's no lift there. I'm just going.
Come on!
Guys, where are you?
This is why I don't play with Isha. Is that
Then go rin.
is this a alay, Manonggab? This a alay?
Ako sarili ko.
Manonggab, is this a alay? I was about to kill him.
Bro, let's go.
Where you lay the eggs?
The zombie is following me, bro.
I thought it was a real zombie. Oh my god, he's on the train! Guys, he's on the train!
Darian, you can sit right here.
I need to sit upstairs.
Here, you can sit here, bro.
I need to sit upstairs, you know.
I already sit here at the top, look.
That's not the top.
Sino mag-drive by?
I really wish I have a dynamite right now.
I really wish Isa wasn't playing with us.
Do you find a dynamite or somewhere?
Yep. I did find a dynamite. Isha didn't want it. Use the dynamite on Isha so I can steal
That's a landmine, not a dynamite.
Oh, how do I even weld this? How do you activate this?
You weld it and you jump on it. And jump on it, step on
What
it.
the hell is it doing?
That's our ally. Don't kill him. How do I... Ah! Ah!
Are you not here, bro?
Yes.
We're wasting our time.
Yeah, it's because of time.
Tarion good.
Stop at the sheriff area. Stop at the next house because I'm already going first.
Drive!
Nagunas ka dun rin.
Stop at the house. Stop in the house.
Oh, you're so riot, bro.
At the house.
Okay, I'm stopping.
Oh, it's a sheriff house. Manong, I need the gun.
Me too, bro.
Manonggab, give me the gun. Manonggab, what?
Oh my god, why am I here, bro? Why did I
That
teleport?
train teleported too. Oh, armor. What's this?
We got some ally there.
Help. There's a flintlock? Yes. Will you pick it up?
No. What the freak?
There's a train!
Yo! Yo!
What's happening? It's a train!
There's a train. And now where's our train, bro? Where's our train?
Oh, my train! Where's our train?
Where's our train?
We were just at the start, at the end.
Yo, bro.
I'm more of melee guy.
Huh?
You shall call me the melee guy, bro.
Just me.
Werewolves!
We're wolves. Why did you say that?
Oh, one died. You shall make it. Oh, a zombie died.
Darian, where's our train, bro?
We're gonna, guys.
Train was lagging, right?
Hey, Commander, look, ammo for you. It's Isha!
What?
I don't even have a gun.
Where's the flintlock? I saw a flintlock. Isha, nagbalik ikaw ka flintlock?
No?
What? We're gonna have to walk for the entire ride
Yeah.
and survive. Where's the train? Guys, I think the train respawned at the starting area.
We need a horse to complete this game.
Guys, I'm pretty sure the train restarted at the starting area.
Yeah. Hey, wait me, bro.
I'm so fast.
I actually have a sneak oil.
Isha, I'm fast now because it's nighttime. I'm still faster than you.
Maybe.
Hi, Manong. I'm not even sprinting. Manong, God, let's go sprint.
At least I still have 30 money.
Oh, I can sell money now.
I have 2 types of thing.
2 times nigger?
Eggs
No.
are not valuable anymore.
Eggs? Where's my thing? Why are eggs not valuable?
Because we don't even have a train to weld it.
A what?
We don't even have a train to weld it.
Ah, suck all this time. It's my time! It's my time to shine. This game is so laggy. The ammo's glitching at the back of the thing. Look! What's happening? It's glitched.
Darian, I have 210.
I can two-shot a vampire.
All of them are jumping.
Free guns, bro.
They're gonna respawn.
Where are you?
I'm gonna get
Server's glitch, bro.
Manugab, I'm responsible for getting all the vampires.
No.
I am. I'm the one who killed them.
Oh my god, just look at that, bro. There's nothing.
Oh my god. It's like vampires gonna glitch. Oh, what the?
Golden sword.
I have it. Did I use yours?
No! I bought a golden sword.
It glitched out.
This sword's kind of bro.
This game is cursed.
Yeah. My eggs are dancing.
What? Why do you say it like that? I'm responsible for getting all the vampires.
This is so cursed, bro.
I don't know what happened.
I think it's because of Isha.
What do you mean?
No, it's no, bro.
It's the game.
I can't even buy ammo now.
I forgot. I'm still recording.
Oh my god, where's the guns?
It's out in the back.
Oh my god.
I'm serious. Oh, I found that one.
They're glitching in the back. Free coal.
Getting up.
Oh, I found your cavalry sword. I glitched out of the outpost.
I didn't buy it, bro. Because it's glitchy.
Glisten, bro.
Are you blushing?
My rifle's dancing.
I need to buy this rifle.
I need to
Kapanan.
I already have.
Oh my god!
Where's all the ammo?
I don't know, bro.
I need to buy a gun.
They are
first.
dancing, bro.
And then you found one.
There's a zombie outside. I think he's trying to kill me.
Hey,
Is that the ally?
Yes.
I was about to kill him. Thanks for saving his life.
I still need that.
You saved his life, Manunga, because I was about to kill him because I thought he wasn't ally.
Maybe we're gonna ride to our wolf, bro.
What the hell? I cannot store ammo. Yay. To stack it up. Where's the other pieces of ammo, bro? The wolves are blocking the way.
I'll buy this one.
It's mine.
But this is mine.
Found the horse, nigga.
I know you're gonna get it, bro.
I'm not.
Can someone you guys give me... Where the... Yo, look at that! The horse just died by itself, bro.
What? This game's cursed.
Yeah.
There's a hacker on the server. What's happening? Someone join our server or something? Did someone get a random call and join our server?
Why is the egg flying?
What? Why is Manungab's... What happened to the server?
I don't know.
Yo, the egg's right there.
Nebamba!
Ni bamba.
Where's the egg? Where are you? Where are you at? Isha!
What?
He can't believe what I just found. What Manungab just found.
Why?
Where did it go? Isha. Just kill it.
Kill
Oh, that's hard to kill. Might as well use this.
Why is my horse over here?
Maybe that's a glitch right now. Hey guys, where are you guys? Yeah, where are you guys?
Who's gonna kill this?
Maybe I need this one.
Oh, I think it was an ally.
I think our server's glitch.
Yeah, it's even more. It got even glitchier.
No, it's not glitch. It's cursed, bro.
Are you sure it's not very glitchy? Guys, what happened to my FPS? Look!
But mine is not lag.
Oh, mine is okay now. Mine is okay.
Me too.
Wait, just look at the server. I laid the egg.
I love playing. Hatchet! Hatchet! Timmy!
Timmy!
It's Timmy!
We're gonna stay for the rest of our lives. Just chilling, chilling.
We're going to ride here, bro. Hey, what are
Hey, chill out, chill out, chill
I'm
out.
barely riding right now. I'm riding. I'm riding.
What?
I'm riding. Look, I'm riding. I'm riding.
I'm gonna shoot that guy.
I'm riding.
I sniped someone.
I'm riding, guys. I'm riding to the thing. Why are you killing it? Guys, look at this. I'm riding. I'm riding. Hey, this dog is taking me to the dog.
Yes!
We're gonna make an army here.
Guys!
I have an idea.
I'm gonna kill it!
I have an idea. Let's stay here and have a lot of eggs and hatchet all of them.
Genius! I have a rifle too. I can just kill them.
Me too, I have a rifle. Oh my god, I'm riding.
I love killing our teammates.
Bro, I'm barely riding.
Bro, skipping back day.
No?
Skipping leg day. Isha,
What?
I love doing this. I love doing this.
Oh my gosh, no.
This guy's gonna protect me.
Let me just ride here.
Ah, what's this? Bam 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 badam bang dang bung kateng bung tang xin chang chung.
Guys, I have a light here.
Hello.
Maybe when we don't have a light, we don't survive.
Let's put the eggs in the gunsmith
Why?
So we can now move.
so we can do something bad. We can hatch all of it inside the building.
Guys,
Killing our teammates is so fun.
Not fun.
I'm still
I can do this all day.
Yeah, do it.
Look how many dead teammates are there. I killed all of them. Are you proud of me?
Ato niya siya!
Are you proud that I killed every single teammate?
You're getting promoted.
no.
I can kill them in 2 shots.
Alright, guys.
Thunder God, you shall thunder me!
We have our first ally.
First ally.
They have a meeting right now, brother.
Oh my god! Why is this a burning house?
Where are you?
The gunsmith outside laying eggs. This is my egg.
And I'm barely seeing.
Give me food like rifle soldiers.
Where are you?
Outside at the where you looted, where we found the gunsmith.
Is it this way? Is it this way?
No, on the other side.
Pang 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 patang pang 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 katang.
It's yours.
I'm still super fast.
Give me food here. I need like
Nigger, no.
I need corpse so I can lay eggs.
Corpse?
Yes.
Hey
Indeed.
guys.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
I like another egg.
Are you getting hungry?
Yes, I need to lay more eggs so we can have a I can lay a lot
It's
of
already
eggs.
daytime, bro. Hey, what happened to the zombie's body?
Not there.
Walker?
There. I'm gonna make a egg army.
Manong, I have crops for you.
I'm gonna make a colony. Yes. This is
Scramble them around the room.
I ate all of them. Here's are the leftovers.
Kill more. This server is so cursed.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure the train restarted at the start.
Yeah.
You stop growling, Timmy.
Who was painting?
Painting? I'm broke.
Me, I want painting! Please, me!
Mama.
Two of our allies are here now. Two of our allies.
Two allies?
We're gonna start a freaking colony inside this building. Oh, there! I have a mission. We're gonna fill the hole inside of that of eggs.
Can I get on top of you, Timmy? Timmy! No, I can't get on top of Timmy.
I get on! Never mind.
Is there a werewolf? I want to ride it.
There is, bro. There is. And loot that house.
Indeed.
I'm riding on you.
I can one-shot people even in daytime, bro.
Bro, I actually forgot to get my chair.
Bro, get that the chair, sure.
Ah! What's this stupid thing?
We have three of our allies born. Three of our allies is born now.
Not born yet.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
given birth.
We're cooked here, bro. I just got the rifle, good pickaxe. I'm just gonna get some gold there.
You have a lot of bandages.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna buy two. I'm gonna buy a lot of bandages too. Thanks for reporting.
I have snake oil. Okay, I looted the thingy, the house, whatever it's called. Okay.
Now, I just...
Where did we lose the train again?
The sheriff?
Here?
Yeah.
We lost the train there.
Wait to buy
The server's cursed!
a lot of
It's been 32 minutes.
We're gonna make this whole building filled with eggs and we're gonna hatch it one by one.
POV Asian people. Mommy.
I wanna lay this.
Mommy.
They're not.
Mommy.
They're not
Mommy!
born.
There's two outlaws. Mayroon we can sell their bodies.
No. This is our allies, not. These are allies, not mine.
There's money. Their money.
Where are you all getting?
Whoa! Chill!
Guys, I'm not here.
Can you block the entrance to escaping?
Who's that guy?
Can you block those Can you block the entrance?
Okay, let me find something I can do.
Guys. Guys.
Over here!
I'm gonna buy sheet metal. Is that good?
Guys, I have 6 bandage. Six bandage.
7.
Remember the
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I also have 6 bandage.
General store. This is where you get the things, right?
yeah.
Crap, there's no sheet metal.
So find wooden painting in one of the buildings.
Oh my god.
Guys, where's Terion?
I'm here.
Where?
Here.
Where?
There.
Where?
Here.
Where is it?
There.
Where?
There.
Oh, I know.
There's no paintings. I'm broke.
So go to the buildings up there.
What's that?
A horse, of course.
No, the horse glitch.
Go one of the buildings. In the front, other side. There's no buildings there.
Mommy.
Can you please
I'm sorry to shoot one of you guys.
I want to give you some food. I want to grind you up some food.
Yeah, what I see? Can you take your eggs?
Eggy?
Fuck, isa! Ato sa mga building tapos guys, hindi ka sa cellphone mo eh. Ato ka sa mga building. Tapos kita ka wooden painting.
Tapos si Black ang gawang.
Okay, that's easy, bro.
You know why we need to do that? Because they escape.
Maybe you should just... Hey, can you please go to... Himaumi, bro? Himawa... Oh, I found the general store.
Play with yourself. I just took damage.
Perfect.
General store?
Yeah.
I already looked that.
What the heck?
Look there. There's nothing there. It's only pile of bodies. Oh, I need a ladder. I got all of the band-aid. Get a ladder so I can block the wall.
Yes! Another! No! At least there's someone to... Me?
It's me.
Oh.
This werewolf night. Ooh.
Legionary.
I will be the one who protects you guys, you know?
No, there's an army protecting you already.
I'm going back.
Guys, be quick because if they found the enemy, they'll run to the doorway. I don't need food. There's no hunger this game. Dad, I found it! No! No!
The ladder is here.
They all escaped! See?
What?
They found an enemy and they all escaped.
How to make them not escape?
Blocking the doorway to cleaners.
Is that evil
They're all
werewolf?
inside first, guys. First, inside.
I'll protect you guys.
Guys, follow me! Follow me!
They're teaming up on. They're killing each other.
I can give you light.
I don't need light. I need my rifle. Guys, did you get a ladder?
I get it.
Put it in the door.
Just wait.
Lead all of the zombies and werewolf inside the building, and Isha will block the doorway and will lay eggs.
Who's gonna protect you guys?
I'm just going to wait.
Who's gonna protect you guys?
The army, of course.
I got the ladder.
I'm gonna start a new colony. Block the doorway.
Isyang ladder! Lock ang door!
It's not big enough.
They can go.
Wait, I know something. I know something. I'm just going to do this. Oh, not like this, bro.
Ako ba siya? Ako ba siya?
Just wait.
Ako ba siya? Hindi ka maan!
You're the one that don't know it.
Yeah, like that. Good boy.
Stop! They're going to enter the party.
Enter, guys.
Enter, guys.
Guys, enter! What are you doing kissing each other? Guys, you shall follow me now. They're not following me. They're scared.
Where are they, bro?
Yeah, boy. Follow us.
They don't want to go here. They're not following.
Come here.
There it is. They follow me.
Okay, lock it now. Lock it now.
Yes!
Di pinakadalam siya.
Hey, don't grab it, bro.
Put it at the top. Why can't we weld it?
I find another one. But keep the ladder, please.
Okay.
I keep the ladder. It's mine.
This is probably the only person who could actually care about a ladder.
But it's not really the point of carrying it.
Hey!
I didn't know it's gonna one-shot them. You have this one. You have a medium egg. It's fine.
I don't have something to look now.
May sheriff to sa ano.
What happened to the werewolf? How many damage you just took? Is it from the last night? What happened to to this game, man. I'm still questioning what happened to this game.
Yeah.
This game's cursed. There's a sheriff outside. Yeehaw! I want to terrorize this horror.
We still needed ladder, no?
We still needed a train.
Can you guys loot the sheriff?
Okay, let's go, Darian. Hey, what are you doing?
We're shooting it. I love
Let's
shooting.
go. We have a banjo to wake them up.
Didn't we already loot that?
We already looked that. We only needed sheriff. That's why we're in the fire desert now.
Isha, we already loot that.
We didn't.
But that's where we lost the train, Isha.
Oh yeah, actually.
I'm just gonna go there for loot. I can't weld anything, like anything. I'm serious.
One sheet metal or wooden fencing. I got a lot of children here.
Isha ka banjote mo nara.
I got a lot of children here.
Isha ka zombie apocalypse ka banjote mo. Manungkap, remember when Isha called Captain Prisca the outlaw?
Yeah.
So we loot that town. There was a town ahead. Yeah, there's nothing here. We looted this area.
Yeah.
Besides that zombie arm.
So I found the town,
We already go there.
but we needed.
We put our army there.
Yeah, that's where we put our army in. That's where we put the lives
I'm
of
just
our...
gonna use my shovel, bro.
Can you
Hey,
weld
wait
it?
me, bro.
Oh!
Hey, Darian, wait me.
No! I'm doing this myself. There's no zombies. Remember? They all died.
There's still a lot.
Oh,
Darian, can you please wait me?
Manunggab, the town respawned. The town respawned.
Let me see.
Look!
Oh no.
So, want to loot it?
Yeah, let's go.
Isha, do you have a gun?
Yeah, but right.
Don't miss because it's gonna wake all of them up.
I'll be you guys back up. Come here, children. We're gonna loot the town. Can't you guys get up already? Are you too obsessed about your own?
I'm too obsessed about destroying zombies. I love terrorizing zombies.
Back up, me.
You guys are lucky it's not nighttime, you know? Achoo! 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 I already have a lot of bandage. Oh, there's a vampire. This is the easiest town I've ever seen. Manangga, this is the easiest town ever.
Yeah.
All you need is just a rifle and then there you go. You destroyed everything.
Oh my god. Let's go loot some.
Is the gold still there?
Maybe.
Oh, it's still loot. It's already looted. Yeah, and you didn't share any money.
Oh, money, bro.
You didn't share us money.
And they give you money.
Only 1 silver.
It's so hard.
Oh yes, nighttime.
We're gonna be swimming corpses, okay?
I love nighttime. Isha, we need to loot this area.
I finally found one. It's a newspaper.
We can't.
Barrel.
Guys, we can't weld the. Oh, it's.
We're gonna be swimming corpses.
Maybe we need to go back there. Yan.
Then I know a real challenge. Let's get our money. Let's increase our money to a million.
Oh, we can take pictures with this thing. That's cool.
Then get some money now. We're gonna need a lot of money for this.
We're gonna need a lot of corpses.
No, not corpses. We're gonna reach 1,000 money.
Yeah, and we can buy the thing and the trick we could never buy. I want to get this camera so we can take pictures actually. You can get a capture from those cameras, Manongga.
Hurry, where are you?
I'm leaving.
Hurry on.
ammo. I think we should use the
rifle soldiers. Where is the
Look how easy this is.
Bro, revive me!
Wait, do you have patience? Look, I risk your life. They don't even do a lot of damage. I'm reloading, of course. It's kinda hard, actually.
Hey, what the hell?
We're gonna need the vampires to sell.
Hey, what the hell? Hey, the vampires are attacking.
Do you have ammo?
I don't. I
Time
have
is the
ammo.
rifle soldiers.
Just please help me.
Help me!
I need to get my things, by the way.
Is it playtime? Cry, baby.
Don't get it. Hey, those are mine.
I got a vampire!
What?
I got a vampire that I just killed.
No, you get from mine.
It's a vampire! I got the vampire!
That is actually mine, bro, that you get there.
You did not even kill a single vampire.
I killed
I'll get all the valuables I can.
You barely killed the vampire, Isha. You barely killed one. I did most of the work.
Bro, where did you get it? It was mine.
I'll get all the valuables.
Where is it? Where's the vampire? They didn't even pick it up. What's happening?
Oh, thanks. It come back to me, bro.
Okay.
Now, where are you?
Then
I'm leaving you behind.
You're so far away, bro.
What's this? I'm leaving you behind.
I'm already coming.
I'll give you all the money I can see.
No, I already have vampires. I already have a lot of vampires. We're not.
I'll give you some more vampires and outlaws.
Oh, you are the best commander ever. How has it not been 1 hour yet? It's been 47 minutes.
Yeah, it's already 47. Now, it's still 47.
That's 48.
No, it's still
There, Crayon.
47.
I got all the valuables.
Thank you. Isha, hindi pagbulang valuables sa Akura ba?
Valuables.
Isha, hindi pagbuo lang mga vampires kag outlaws sa trading post ay ambal manunggab akin. Right, Manong? Para makasibap kita sa 1,000 Isha.
Di, zero kwarta ko.
Cause you died.
I didn't.
You know what you know what I wish they added in the game?
What?
If your teammate die, they drop all of the money they had.
Oh.
You're so greedy, bro.
Oh my god.
You're so greedy.
No, Manunggab. It's because Manunggab said it's mine.
Grab all the corpses you can do and put it with the gunsmith. That's all.
I'm already here inside.
Isya hindi pagbalang vampire. More ang Manunggab ako.
It's going to close the
Kaya can you execute all of
It's
the...
perfect.
What?
Hoy, perfect yun ya.
Hindi natin kailangan mo.
Guys, you can take pictures with the camera.
You cannot take pictures, bro. It's not
Then grab all of the corpses you can see there. And put it on the gunsmith.
You can take a picture. Look, Isha. Look. Look. Look, Isha.
It's not like that. Oh,
It gives us pictures. It's a look. Look. I told you it pictures.
Grab all of the corpses you can do and put it inside the gunsmith.
I'm just going to take a picture.
Should I kill the outlaws?
No! That's my only protection.
I'm going to save it.
Oh yes, body.
I like it.
I like to move it. I like to move it.
Where are you?
I'm in the sheriff.
so annoying.
You mean?
Yeah.
I have $300.
And now,
I'm tired picking up all of this corpse, bro. I'll put it inside the gunsmith.
I'm at the top of the roof!
How did you get there?
I don't know!
I'm buying the most snake oil I can buy. What do we need to buy, Mananggab?
A lot of... I don't know, bro.
Somebody.
Well, I'm buying a lot of snake oil.
Wow.
We have freedom, bro.
I don't even have a single of money.
Because you're broke.
Like you.
It doesn't mean I'm also broke.
That makes sense.
Well, it doesn't.
You're not supposed to.
Oh
Guys,
my.
remember to pick up every corpse you can see.
I need to remember to get every single snake oil I've ever drank in my entire life.
And why do you need a stick or?
I want to be fast. I can beat the game in 3 minutes.
Oh yeah! Jayon, I know this trick to win the game. Remember we have unlimited time? You will get a lot of snake oils from our unlimited time, and you will buy a lot of snake oils and drink all of it and you win.
Is this enough? Is this enough? Is this enough?
Not yet. Not even close.
Does it? Do I need to fill up my entire inventory?
Yes. Right.
I only have one vampire.
It might give me an achievement, bro. I don't know.
Oh no, man.
That's $105. Okay, I think that's enough.
I'm just going to go inside.
And now I have $20.
Yep, you need a lot more to go there, Yon. Like a lot more to go.
Way more than this?
Yes.
Why?
It's not even close to there to...
How much do I need?
Siya ginaban mong corpse!
Wala!
This werewolf night.
No. But you need to protect me.
Is this our house now?
Yes.
We are indeed never leaving this place.
Ah! Yay! Help me!
Don't worry, I'm coming, boss.
I have my werewolf incoming.
Do you have corpse, Mananggab?
A lot. Like a lot.
Ones that you can sell?
Inside the building, okay?
Is that the evil werewolf?
Yes. Go inside the gunsmith. We need you, bro.